Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see your child's text messages on an iPhone. First, ensure you have family sharing set up, as it is the foundation for managing your child's device. This feature links your child's Apple ID to yours, allowing you to share purchases, locations, and critical settings. It's a powerful tool for monitoring and managing multiple devices within your household, providing a central point for parental controls and communication oversight. This initial step is vital for seamless integration. Next, you will need physical access to your child's iPhone to enable text message forwarding. Open their Settings application, then scroll down and tap on Messages. Within the Messages menu, locate and tap on Text Message Forwarding. This specific setting is what allows text messages received on their device to be simultaneously sent to your registered devices. Accessing their phone directly is a necessary step for this feature to work effectively and securely within Apple's ecosystem. Once you are in the text message forwarding section on your child's iPhone, you will see a list of devices associated with your Apple ID. Simply toggle the switch next to your own iPhone or iPad to the on position. This action directs all standard SMS messages, often appearing as green bubbles, to your chosen device. This setting ensures you receive a comprehensive view of their communications, providing insight into messages that are not typically synchronized via iMessage. It's an important distinction for full coverage. Beyond message forwarding, Apple's Screen Time feature offers robust content and privacy restrictions for your child's iPhone. Accessible through your own device within family sharing, Screen Time allows you to set communication limits, specifying who your child can talk to and during what times. You can also review app usage, set downtime, and restrict explicit content. This comprehensive suite of tools helps you manage your child's overall digital interactions and ensure a safer online environment for them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.